The TTM 4901 cross-country vehicle is one of the famous and powerful off-road vehicles produced by the Russian military industrial company. Trom 8 off-road vehicle is an off-road vehicle capable of moving reasonably within a certain size on bad terrain. This is one of Russia's most famous off-road vehicles, representing the strength and endurance of the people and this country. This car is not just an ordinary means of transport, but also a symbol of the harshness of Russia's remote regions. This is the most famous heavy truck line in Germany and is often seen in movies. Is a four-wheel drive front control vehicle type 813. An off-road vehicle model nicknamed Survival Vehicle, produced by Russia, is capable of overcoming any difficult terrain with ease. It is equipped with large special tires that help the vehicle move on all terrains, including frozen lakes. It can easily overcome bushes, swamps, snow piles and water, escape from trenches and deep holes with an angle of up to 35 degrees. It can move at a speed of 45 km per hour in deep snow and 6.44 km per hour in water. It is used a lot in the Russian army, especially when the body of this vehicle is equipped with steel that can resist 7.62 mm bullets. This is a test with the Z88 off-road vehicle in Novozavedovo, a land with many difficult terrains. Engineers let the Z88 off-road vehicle experience rough terrain, deep holes, and even lakes. This was a rescue operation for a timber truck that had gone off the road, but it was unsuccessful. The road is too muddy, but the trucks still have to move forward, overcoming all these difficulties to reach their destination. This is an extremely powerful MAN 8x8 truck that crosses glaciers in Iceland. The extremely skillful driver used his skills and experience to move the MAN 8x8 truck very smoothly to cross the river safely.
Teraz